All right, folks, it's all going to kick off now. The game breaker is going to start. The first player from each squad is Vivek versus Rohan. Vivek, an incredible singles player, we all know. Rohan, who played the men's singles for the Smashers and took down Alapati. And we're off. First point is the intensity in men's singles we were talking about earlier. There you go. You can see the cheers erupting from the Dynamos side. Every point in this format is extremely vital. What a passing winner. That's called in. It's 2-0 to Vivek. 2-0 to the Dynamos. These are vital points. Two-one there. Rohan wins that point. He's back on serve. So in this format, it's what is referred to as rally scoring. Every single point is a point. There is no winning points, only on your serve. Vivek wins that exchange. It's 3-1 to the Dynamos. It gives them a 2-point cushion going into this. Next players up on court are Vikram and Saran. Vikram is actually a very underrated singles player. Not a lot of people have seen him play singles. And there you go. His service immediately forces the error. Once again, you get to keep your serve if you've won the point. That's a more composed return from Saran there. An unfortunate error coming out from Vikram's battle over there. It's now 4-3. It's a 1-point cushion. Chance for him to keep that same cushion that Vivek handed to him at a 2-point interval. And unfortunately, the scores are level. So Dynamos are now 4. The Smashers are 4. I have a feeling there might be an error on the score on our screens. We will just check on that and get back to you. There we go. Now that the correction's made, it's 4-4. So Ramya and Soumya here are going to go head-to-head on this. That ball's out. Ramya has taken the first point. We've got a little mini birthday celebration going here alongside while the game breaker's on. It's 5-all in the game breaker. Got a little cake cutting ceremony happening alongside over here. It's an incredible point running along right now. Soumya gets the better of Ramya there. And Dynamos take a lead 6-5. You can hear just how into it everyone is. Incredible building of the point by Ramya over there. She's managed to stay in it. She's forced the error from Soumya. And it's 6 apiece. So this is going as tight as anybody might imagine. It's 6-all. Now we have Sahil going up against Siddharth Alapati. Siddharth, who had previously played the men's singles against Rohan. He takes that first point. Not sure if Siddharth was expecting to play again after he played his 2 fixtures. I know. I just want to finish this up. That's an uncharacteristic service error over there. It's 8-7. For all those who are confused, Vivek has played at position number 1 and Sid just happens to be wearing his spare t-shirt, which is why it says Vivek on screen at the moment. Went for it there, Sahil. Unfortunately found the top of the tape. It's a 2-point cushion to the Dynamos. And the second women's singles now gets underway. We've got Anisha, who's going up against Uttama. It's a great service over there, pushing Uttama deep into the court. Almost pushed that out the air and hit the winner. Uttama with the points, got served now. And she aces it. Unfortunately, I think a little bit of space at the back would have helped Anisha. That's an ace. Swing and a miss from Anisha. We've got Uttama now on serve. This is the 4th point of their little exchange. That's a great forehand. Cross court, gets the winner. And the 2-point cushion is gone the other way now. It's 11-9 to the Smashers. So, up our players number 6 is Ronak versus Siddharth. It's 11-9. Ronak to serve. That ball is in. That managed to stay in. I think Siddharth thought that was going long. Let it go. Slanted in, and we've now got a 3-point cushion for the Smashers. Back down to 2. Ronak's made the unforced error and Siddharth serves again. Siddharth is very clearly targeting that backhand side in the kitchen. Trying to force Rohan to hit the ball past him. He's forced a couple of errors over there. Serves 11-12. And he negates the deficit. So we're back and tied right now. We've got Prajal now on the Dynamo side, who's going up against Harsh. Harsh, team captain of the Smashers, finding some time on court today thanks to the game breaker. That's a great passing shot by Prajwal. Lets Harsh know about it as well. Controversial call there on the corner. The ball's called in by the linesman. Harsh is convinced that the ball's out. Unfortunately, in the game breaker, there are no reviews and no DRSs available for any team. So we have a situation now where the refs are going to have a little quick discussion about it. Harsh not happy, clearly not happy with the call. Don't have the best angle on that ball from our side. And once again, in the game breaker format, there is no DRS or review available to either team. So we're just going to have a quick discussion here while we figure out if that ball and that call is going to stand. So the call stands, the ball's called in. I think Harsh wants to just shake this off, forget about that last decision and focus on the next point. Try and cut this deficit down to 1. And he just does that exactly. He's managed to hit an outright winner from the kitchen line. He's reduced it to 1 point now. He's serving at 13-14. It's a great drive deep into the back of the court. Forces the error from Prajwal. He's managed to level things up 14 apiece. That is a massive lob from the backhand from Shell. He's managed to really finesse himself into that point. Ball goes out. Vikram's on court now against Shell. It's a 1-point cushion. It's at 15-14. Look at that backhand slice. No one's hit that so far. That forehand is absolutely flying. Unfortunately, has flown out of the court and it's 15 all. Shale finding the bottom of the net. 16-15. The Dynamo serving. Great hands at the net from Shell. Manages to somehow drop that ball into the kitchen. So that is absolutely even. 16 points apiece. The first to 25. This is where all strategy goes out the window, folks. It's the business end of the game breaker. It's going to be guys who hold their nerve, going to be guys who play better under pressure. There you go, Vivek takes that first point. Rohan hits that volley wild. It's long. So in this instance, you want to have your best players listed at 1, 2 and 3 on the entire roster, because in situations like this, they are going to have to play a second time. You don't want to try and leave anything to chance and try and play these games on should I get my best guys to play first or second or third. You want all your best guys playing right up front because you want them to play as many times as possible. Nothing in this. It's 17 all. Rohan serving. Backhand slice finds the net. So Vivek's back on serve. This is the 4th point of this exchange now, and he's got a chance to give the Dynamos a 2-point cushion. Incredible movement from Vivek. Unbelievable. Look at that. You can see in the corner of your screen, Dynamos are getting onto the court to celebrate that point. Phenomenal movement. Stayed really well in the point. The pickup from the backhand side near the kitchen. Don't think Rohan was expecting that to come in with as much interest as it did. Vikram's now got a chance here to increase the lead. That's a great serve. He's found the absolute corner of that box. Vikram going in for a similar strategy. He's targeting that backhand side. Staying on it. Staying focused on that backhand corner. Peppered all the balls in there. And it's now 2017. This is going to be a little bit of pressure now on the Smashers and every single player who comes on court beyond this. Once again, Vikram finding an unbelievable depth of service. A little bit of luck there. He manages to clip the tape. The ball is in. It's a 4-point cushion now. That is the 3rd service in a row where he has found the absolute margin required. So it's the first point. It's the first instance where a player has won 3 points on the trot in this game breaker. This is a chance for Vikram to put the team up by 6. It's a 5-point cushion now. Seems to be confusing decision here when it comes to the call that's been made. Not sure if someone from the audience called or if that was the ref. Ball was called out. For the first time in the game breaker, one player has taken all 4 points. The Dynamos are now 2 points away from clinching this. Let's not forget they were down 3-1 overall in the fixtures. That is a phenomenal put away. If there's anybody right now that the Smashers want to get all 4 points for them to claw back this lead, Ramya is their person of choice. Ball's been called out. My apologies, Ramya. It's the curse of the commentator. It's 24-18. This is match point. If the Dynamos win this point, that's the end of the fixture. Not yet. Not if it is in. Ramya's chance to now get 1 more point on the board and hand over to her next teammate. And that's exactly what she does. It's 20-24. Starry Smashers are 4 points away from the Dynamos. This happened last week as well. The Dynamos need to reach 25 on their own serve. So even if Siddharth wins this point, he's going to have to win the next one after that as well. Here we go. So now Dynamos on serve. It's 25. And the rule goes, ladies and gentlemen, that you need to win on your own service. So if Siddharth wins this point, that is the tie to the Dynamos. There you go. It's a sea of purple on the court. Great comeback by the Dynamos after being down 3-1, managing to pull it back to 3-all, and then from that 17-all point in the game breaker, the difference there was Vikram's 4 points. He managed to take all 4 points, really built that cushion up, gave them a massive lead, put some pressure on the Smashers. That's the second time they've been on the good side of a game breaker, the Dynamos.